Good morning. Hi, everyone. I hope that everyone had a nice Christmas in a new year. Family gathering with their families. As you guys can see at the moment, I'm busy harvesting some tomatoes. Yeah, it's nice to pick some tomatoes. It's a good thing to have a garden at your home so that you know, or on your farm, so that you know if you need any vegetables, you can just go to your garden. You can just go and harvest. You can just go and harvest. Over here we have like the red tomato, and we have like the yellow one. As you guys can see, we have like the yellow one, yellow tomatoes. It also tastes nice, but it's not so sweet, as you guys can see. But yeah, guys, subscribe and keep on supporting me. Keep on supporting me. I love what I do. You have to have a love, a passion for what you do, and love what you do. Yeah, thank you guys. Like and subscribe. I would appreciate it very much, guys.